How to edit or add text in Canva template. Hello guys and welcome to this new short tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit or add a text in a Canva template. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to go to canva.com, then you are simply going to select a template. For example, let's say that I am going to select here I'm going to select any template, for example presentation. I'm going to set presentation, and right here type enter, and here we have tons of templates. You can go ahead and select any template that you want. For example, click on customize this template, and then we are going to see here the template editor or the template creator. Now simply, if you want to modify or edit a text, simply double click on the text area that you can see here, for example this, double tap it, and create or made whatever you want. You can go ahead and edit this, make it bold, or you can go ahead and change the font of it and also the size, and also you can get and add some effects or also animate it. If you want to add a text right there, I'm going simply right here to the text. You can add a heading, subheading, or body text. Also, you can go ahead and add a text box. Right here, we have a heading. You can go ahead and put here is a demo, for example, a demo like that, and here you go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.